Hey creative crew, y'all ready to slice into some serious art skills? Today we are talking about the mighty craft knife, your perfectly precise partner in paper cutting power. Do that more than once. But before you go full ninja, let's learn how to use it safely. Trust me, your fingers are going to thank you. This little tool may look simple, but it's actually a superhero in disguise. A craft knife, which is also referred to as an X-Acto knife, but that's a brand name, is perfect for cutting paper, foam, cardboard, and even more with laser-like precision. But like any superhero tool, it comes with great responsibility and a very sharp blade. So safety first, because we're artists, not ER patients. One, you're always going to cut away from your body, not towards yourself. Okay, this means that your fingers should never be in the knife path. I'm going to keep the shield on. This is a no. This is a no. See that finger? That finger becomes a target. Okay? So, rule number one, always cut away from your body, which means, again, fingers should not be in the path. Rule number two, use a cutting mat. Now, my entire table is a cutting mat. But they also make them smaller with all these beautiful measurements, two-sided for pretty, okay? These guys take the cut and don't show a whole lot of damage. It stays pretty smooth, kind of self-heals a little bit. It's great. We don't want to cut. We don't want to cut on your desk. We don't want to cut on your sketchbook. And we definitely don't want to cut on your leg. Cutting mat protects your surface and the blade. All right, so do you see how I can hold this like a pencil? Firm grip, steady hand. No stabbing. No. No sawing. It's not to be used like this. This is not a steak knife. Okay? Just smooth slicing. All right? Now, blades get dull. Craft knives are usually designed to come apart. Just like that. This particular blade, we loosen here. Blade comes out. You put a brand new blade in. Dull blades are actually more dangerous. Why? They are more prone to slip and slide, which increases the chance of you getting cut and not the stuff you're trying to cut. All right? Don't just yank it out. Ask for an adult if the blade is loose or if it needs a sharp blade or anything like that, okay? And when you're done, cap it, and in our case, store it completely. Don't ever travel with the knife uncapped. You are basically asking for trouble, okay? Got to keep it away from pets, keep it away from siblings or anyone else that thinks it's a toy because, spoiler alert, not a toy. No. All right, so let's do some really quick do's and don'ts. Do use a cutting mat. Protects the blade, protects your table, protects your leg. Do cut away from yourself, holding the knife like a pencil, if I can open it. Whee! Holding the knife like a pencil and cutting away from your body and your hands is safe. Do keep your fingers clear, away from the way you're cutting. Over there, okay? What you don't do, it's not a magic wand. Wingardium Leviosa is not gonna make this stuff float. Leave it alone. Do not leave it uncapped. If you are not using it, it should have a cap on it. If you are walking away from it, it should be put firmly away in its protective little tube, okay? Don't use them if you're tired or distracted. Some of y'all have played video games and you have lost because you are tired and distracted. This thing will actually hurt you. You're not gonna lose your inventory, but you can lose some significant amounts of flesh. Make sure that if you are in any way distracted or not focused on what you're doing, that you don't mess with the blade, okay? So, once again, respect the blade, follow the rules, and you'll be able to cut like a pro in no time. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more art hacks and safety tips. Stay sharp, literally, but mostly the blade.